I'm excited to share this experiment. We are going to make boba cream today. Hi everyone, welcome to Kajal Cosmetics. Today we are going to see how to make this boba cream formulation from home. So you need to prepare two things. First, the cream, the capsule part, and another one is the gel part. So first we are going to prepare the capsule part here. So this is going to be a trial batch, like an experiment kind of thing. So we are going to make a niacinamide cream. In this formulation, you are going to learn two different things. One is how to make gel and how to make cream. Here we are going to make a thick cream so the capsule will not melt down easily. So we need to increase the viscosity here. So I am adding cetyl alcohol with little bit of BTMS 50 and cocoa butter, sunflower oil and acacia berry oil in the oil phase. In the water phase we have water, glycerine, panthenol, niacinamide. So it's now time to melt down both the phases, and now we can blend the phases together. Give a little mix with the spoon and using stick blender blend the emulsion. It's time to measure our face ingredients. We are going to add blackberry extract, vitamin E and a preservative. I don't love fragrances in my face products. If you want, you can add any kinds of fragrance oil or essential oil here. So add this face ingredients to the cream and mix it well, and you can see this is how the cream turned out. Now we are going to make gel here. Here I am using Xanthan gum transparent grade. Here I have pre-measured my Xanthan gum and mixing with glycerin to make it as a slurry first. If you add Xanthan gum directly to the water, it will cause clumps and it will take time to settle down. So now I have mixed it well. Now we can add our distilled water. I wanted this gel to be little bit extra hydrating, so I'm adding hyaluronic acid solution. If you wanted to make this 1% hyaluronic acid solution, I have a video in my channel. Now I'm adding Allantoin, little bit of Aloevera powder 200x here. So to preserve this gel, we are going to add some preservative. We are going to use liquid germal plus here. Give everything a good mix and leave it overnight, and you can see in the next day the gel is formed. I always love to leave my products overnight so I can see whether if there is any issue in the stability or anything the problem is, I can check out. So when I am leaving it overnight, you can see I have colored the gel with a little bit of brown color. And now we can do the piping part. Here the fun is, I was not having the piping bag, so I was taking some plastic sheet cover. So we are going to do piping. Sorry, it will be a really mess process. I will learn proper piping from the next time. You can see what is it and how it is going to turn out. The cut was very big, so the size of the capsule was very huge here. So you need like a precision cut here, and you can see the process now. So first you should put the capsule one layer, then add the gel, and next you should put one layer of capsule and add gel. This is how the process will be here. This is how you can make your own DIY kind of boba cream here. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down. They are good. They are hydrating in texture. I love it. I use in my night care routine. The full formulation is in the caption. So thank you. Happy formulating. If you are a new subscriber, if you are watching till now, then kindly subscribe and support to my channel. Please drop a like and comment if you have any questions, or comment a heart that will support my channel. Thank you. Happy formulating.